New possible way to get protection from COVID-19 without an injection is under developing. Researchers from a Hong Kong biotech company called DreamTech is now working on a COVID-19 oral vaccine, and their preliminary result is looking well.
We have been developing oral vaccines since September 2020. The oral vaccines are primarily made of a probiotic from a traditional Japanese healthy food, natto. Natto is produced from boiled soybean by fermentation with a probiotic bacteria called Bacillus subtilis. This probiotic bacteria is recognized as safe by FDA. It is stable in room temperature, they can grow fast, and most importantly, they are safe. In order to make an efficient oral vaccine, we have to first study the structure of a coronavirus. There are a lot of proteins located on the surface of coronavirus. One special protein called spike protein helps the virus to invade into our cells. In order to train our immune system, we design our bacillus to express spike protein and turn it into spore to mimic the coronavirus.
We then cultivate the engineered bacillus from seed to billions and billions of spores by fermentation.
One amazing feature about bacteria is that it can replicate itself very quickly with minimal nutrients, hence lowering the time and cost to produce the oral vaccine. The produced spores are then protected in acid-resistant capsules.
A group of healthy, unvaccinated volunteers were recruited to test for the safety and efficacy of the oral vaccine. They took an oral vaccine capsule on day 1, 14, and 28. After the oral vaccine is released in the small intestine, M cell can stimulate the mucosal immune response and other immune cells to produce antibodies and memory against coronavirus. One of the advantages of our design is no injection is required.
We noticed that a few cell signaling factors, such as TNF-alpha and interleukins, are upregulated by our engineered spores. This indicates T cell and B cell activation. B cell then start to produce IgM and IgG targeting the spike protein of coronavirus. In our pilot test, the level of neutralizing antibody against coronavirus is significantly increased after taking 3 capsules on day 42 since the start of the trial.
So when the real coronavirus invades your body, our trained immune system can immediately produce antibody attacking the spike protein and block the coronavirus from entering our cells. Eventually, the coronavirus will kill rapidly. In our pilot test, serum collected from volunteers could neutralize both the wild type and D614G variant of coronavirus. It is amazing that a simple bacteria can be transformed into a vaccine and could possibly save our lives.
Now, DreamTech has finished a pilot test on their COVID-19 oral vaccine, and they are confident that their oral vaccine technology will make a huge difference for an effective and easy-to-use COVID-19 vaccine.